Alrighty, so this is just bought this chainsaw off of Amazon. It's called a Derail. It's around 140 bucks, 150. I think I also got a discount on it too. So at first glance, it looks like a pretty good chainsaw. It's made in China, so obviously it's gonna be 90% plastic, which kind of sucks. But I think all chainsaws nowadays, the body is mostly plastic, but it's like I don't know, almost feels like a cheap plastic. But still, it feels pretty sturdy, pretty light. Just filled it up with oil and gas. Seems like it's leaking, but I don't know, that might be because of the I kind of overflowed a little bit, excuse me. So let's see how it starts. Hopefully it's not gonna give me any issues right now. Okay, on, choke. What is this? Ah, okay, that's to open the air filter. I guess you put the choke on like that. Yeah.